Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss properties of whole number. Properties of whole number are four basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So why we are using property? With the help of this property, our calculation become very easy. So today we will discuss one by one of these properties. So first is property of addition. In this, first is closure property. When we will add any two whole number, their sum will be whole number. Like here is example 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Next is commutator property. Commutate means to move around. When we will add any two whole numbers and we will change its order, so answer will be same. Like we are having two whole numbers 5 and 4. I have changed the order like 4 and 5. Answer will be a whole number. Next is associative property. When three or more whole numbers are added and grouped in any way, so answer will be remain same. Like 5, 4 and 8. So I have made the group like this. Here is the group like 5 plus 12. Here is 17. Again second check from second group like 4 and 5. So here is 8, 9 plus 8, 17. I have made another group 8 plus 5 plus 4. Answer is 17. This shows if we are going to write in any way, answer will be same. So our next property is property of subtraction. In this, first is closure property. When we will add subtract sum of two whole numbers, so sometime answer will come whole number, sometime answer will not come in whole number. Let's see an example. Like when we are going to subtract 11 minus 5, answer is coming whole number. But now in second example, 15 minus 31, we can't subtract 15 from 31. We can't change its order. Answer will not come in whole number. So next is commutator property. So it doesn't hold true for the commutative. Like when we are going to change its order, answer will not come same. Like see from example 15 minus 25 minus 15 is not equal to 15 minus 25. So next is associative property. Same as associative property, when we are changing its order, answer will not come same. Let's see from example like 18 minus 7 minus 6. So here is I have subtracted from here 18 minus 1, 17 is coming. So make another group 18 minus 7 minus 6. So here answer is coming 5. So this shows that when we are going to write in different order, answer will not come same. So next is property of multiplication. Property of multiplication means repeated addition is called multiplication. So same as addition, when first is closure property, like the product of any two whole number, answer will be whole number. Same as property of addition, like 7 is a whole number, 4 is a whole number, answer is 28. Commutator property is also same as property of addition. We will change its order, answer will remain same. So here is 7 multiplied by 9, 63, 9 multiplied by 7, 63. Then associative property, again when we will multiply 3 or more whole number and grouped in any way, answer will remain same. Like you can see from the example 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Here 18 multiplied by 5, 90 is coming. Again different group 6 multiplied by 5, 30 and multiplied by 3, 90. Then in second group 5 multiplied by 3, 15 multiplied by 6, so 90. So from this it means if we are going to write in any way, answer means same. So next is multiplicative identity. When any whole number is multiplied by 1, answer will remain same. So itself only. So like 1 multiplied by 6, 6. 7 multiplied by 1, 7 only. So multiplicative identity of 0. Whole number is multiplied by 0. So answer will be 0 only. So as we know 83 multiplied by 3 is 0. So 0 multiplied by 3, 0. Next is property of division. This property is same as property of subtraction. As we know, repeated subtraction is called division. So same closure property, when we will divide any two whole numbers, sometime answer is coming whole number, sometime answer is not coming in a whole number. Like in first example, when we have divided 77 divided by 11, answer is coming 7. 7 is a whole number. So suppose next is 3 divided by 9. So it will come in a fraction. So answer is not in whole number only. We can't change its order. So next is commutator property. Same, we will change its order. Answer will not come same. So 39 divided by 13, answer is coming 3. If we were going to change its order, answer is coming as in fraction only. So it means the not same. So next is associative property. Again, this property doesn't hold true for association. Like see, 24 divided by same, we have kept in the group only. So see from here, answer is coming 12. So another group 24 divided by 6 and we have kept in the bracket divided by 3. Here again answer is coming fraction. So this shows in association property, if we are going to change its order, answer will not come same. So from all these properties, we will come to know addition and multiplication are from same family, and subtraction and division doesn't hold true for all these properties. So next is distributed property. In distributed property, I have taken 3 whole numbers like 3 multiplied by 5 plus 9 over addition. This property is over addition. So here is 3 multiplied by 14. So answer is 42. In another way, like 3 multiplied by 5 plus 3 multiplied by 9. So answer is coming same. So here this shows 3 multiplied by 5 we have written in the groups or solve like this way. Answer will come same. Next is distributive property of a subtraction. Here subtraction will come. So method will be same. Like 15 multiplied by 3, answer is coming 195. 13 195. Then is in second, first 15 will multiplied by 20. Then minus 15 multiplied by 7. So 300 minus 105, answer is 195. So it means 15 multiplied by 20 minus 7 is equal to 15 multiplied by 20 and 15 multiplied by 7. Both the answer will come same. Now by suitable arrangement, multiply. See from the statement, these are the whole numbers. Otherwise simple we can multiply these numbers, but when we took these two numbers first, so answer will come in zeros. As we know, where maximum zeros are possible, our multiplication become easy. So here I took these two numbers. Here it will come 10,000 multiplied by 38. Answer is 3,80,000. Similarly, in second example, like 2 multiplied by 6 to 4 multiplied. So I took these two numbers first. 2 multiplied by 50. Here is the 164. This is associative property. So next is by suitable arrangement of addition. So like see here is the statement 837 plus 208 plus 363. Simply we can add these number, but it takes so much time. So you just see from one's place. Here is 7, here is 3. So it means when we will took these two numbers, zeros can be possible. So here 1200 plus 208, answer is 1408. That's it for today. I hope you have enjoyed the class. Love you. God bless you.